Oh, ano yan? Akala ko ba vacation mode? Bakit parang work mode na naman? Hay nako talaga, Jefferson. Okay guys, day 2 tayo na, day 2 tayo na, day 2 tayo
Hindi
na.
tayo ng meeting. Wala sa bakasyon.
Day 2 tayo nanda ng tour. Pero day 2 ng meeting din. So kakatapos lang ng meeting. May kasunod na uli na meeting. But I survived. We're now in Bana Hills. Okay guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Bana Hills. Ito yung kinoconsider nila na Disneyland nila dito sa Vietnam. Kung papansin natin, dami-daming tourists all over. Ang galing nila dito, no? It's perfectly coordinated lahat. So sana kayang gawin dito sa Philippines. Yan, konting picture-picture lang. Now we're heading to the platform, to the main platform, going to the Golden Gate Bridge, as well as yun sa Bana Hills. Sakay na tayo ng cable car. Medyo mahaba ang pila. And then during that cable car tour, siguro it will take about 25 to 30 minutes papunta dun sa main platform on the Golden Gate Bridge. So you're now at the top of the mountain. Ang ganda talaga ng mix of nature and development in here in Vietnam. Dito naman, our tour guide, si David, is giving us final instruction. He told us that while dito sa umaga, masyadong maraming tourist pa, so it's not the best time to take picture yet of that Golden Bridge. So we're heading instead to the European Village. After a while, we took a cable car going to the European Village. And then ito, para ka lang nakasakay ng MRT. We're now arriving to the European Village. While you are here on this European Village, para ka talagang nasa Europe. Everywhere you see, it's really like going or walking to a European village. So may iba-ibang mga attractions there. By the way, yung buong European Village, meron silang tinatawag na Sun Building, and then there's also this Moon Building. So iba-iba. And then later on, you will see also in there's Pop Mart. We were told that is 40% off original price. So tingnan lang natin mamaya. And then we headed ito, no? It's like a replica of a church. Siyempre, picture-picture ng konti. Konting lakad pa, no? Medyo malamig nga pala dyan sa taas. Like going to Europe. However, the weather is really unpredictable. Kasi later, mag-iikot pa sana kami. Kaya lang, medyo umulan ng konti. They had to stop the operations of the cable car. So, after a while, binuksan naman na ulit.
Right here, definitely here. And take a photo in the Sun God waterfall.
The Sun Group of companies also have yung beer factory. And therefore, if you are there, you will be given a one free pass, try their beer, no, for free, no. So that's one beer pass. Ano yan? Ba't nagtatrabaho na naman tayo ulit? Anyways, ito, nandito na tayo sa Pop Mart. As I mentioned kanina, this is 40% off the original price. So if you want to check out, malaki ang building nila dito. And you will see all the replicas. Yung mga iba hindi mo nakikita sa mall dito sa Pilipinas. Pero dito kompleto. Yung building din nila, it's napakalaki with the platform area. And then now we headed, ayan, sumakay na kami uli, pagbalik naman ng Golden Bridge. Unfortunately, it's really little foggy, wala kang makita. So we took some Starbucks coffee muna. Then, after a while, biglang nag-clear out. So ayan, take a photo opportunity. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa platform ng Golden Hills Bridge. We're just waiting for a turn to go back to Bana. Sumakay kami uli ng cable car papunta dun sa main building nila. And of course, found some opportunity kasi sa hapon pala wala na gana nagpapapicture. Sanchez, going back to the city center. Pagkita mo yung pera mo.
So, milyonaryo ka dito.
We took a quick dinner in one of the Vietnamese restaurant and then doon natapos ang tour. Pero since of course Filipino, it's time for shopping. Buti na lang nakahanap kami ng Vietnamese GSM driver na can actually speak a little bit Filipino kasi nga he has a Filipino girlfriend. So, he gave us a tour, no, papunta dun sa Lotte Mart. Ito yung pinaka murang bilihan ng mga pasalubong, no. So, by the way, it's another. So, dadalhin kayo ng mga tour guide natin dun sa mga syempre accredited shop nila. More open than not, yun ay medyo mahal. Can actually have another option by going to the Lotte Mall. Lotte Mall is just really near. The other details, hindi ko na ipopost dito. Abangan na lang. And that ends our day 2.